Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be learning about legal drafting. So let's get started. So what do we mean by legal drafting? Legal drafting means the preparation of any written legal document such as letters, briefs, memos, agreements, etc. For this we draft letters. So let's go on with what is the purpose of legal drafting or legal writing. For specific objectives. We write, we draft for specific objectives such as for legal opinion is intended for your clients. Whosoever writing or drafting must know who is the audience. One must have the knowledge of the background of the audience. Such as for a lawyer, the audience may be his clients. So for judges, lawyers write for judges. The writer must keep in mind the interests and needs of the reader. The draftsman or the writer must know the need of drafting. For draftsman, the need would be the draft for judges. So he must write according to them. For legal drafting as a draftsman, one must understand the facts and issues of the case. What are the facts and what are the issues involved in the case of the clients? The draft must convey your case to the judge. The writer must know how to convey his case to the judge. He must write in a way of conveying messages to the first reader. How much big ever your draft goes on, one must know how to write a gist of the case in one paragraph. This conveys that he has mastered the case laws and the case in detail. He has the right knowledge of everything, what he has drafted. Summarizing the draft in just a paragraph requires a lot of knowledge and practice. Only then can a person acquire the skill of drafting. For example, the judges of the Supreme Court give specially petition in just 2 or 3 lines. This comes only through practice and acquiring skills of legal drafting. Importantly, 3 basic theories of legal writing are involved. These are clarity, conciseness, and ability to engage the readers. So let us go in detail about each one. Clarity. What do you mean by clarity? Clarity means clearness and lucidity uh, as a preparation, perception of understanding. Clarity includes what one person requires. What is the purpose of writing? Clarity means use of ordinary words that are easy to understand. Do not use negatives in the sentence. Use active voice while drafting. Use surplus and glue words, which means write to the point in simple language. The written draft should be written in a talkative English and must be pleasing to the eyes of the readers. It should not be like disconnecting people, difficult to understand the readers. So now let's go on conciseness. Conciseness is about writing clear information in few words as possible. Avoid verbal clatter. Write to the point. Do not use too much same words, telling around the same line again and again. Use as less words as possible. You must find a way to lighten what you are saying by using fewer clear words. Remove unnecessary words and writing in your drafting. Keep it to the point. That is the main meaning of conciseness. To draft on the point, one must know the facts clearly. The most important point of drafting is to is the ability to engage the readers. In order to keep your audience or readers engaged, one must question oneself whether what are the real issues involved in the case and what is the position of your client in the case, how you are right in the position on the case. If you get all these answers to it, then your draft would be more interesting to read for your readers and the listeners. It would be complete. So here's a gist to what you should avoid and what you should involve in the points of and what view you must take in legal writing. So tools. You must remember about who is your audience and what kind of audience is yours. Use surplus and few words. Be precise in writing. Draft should be in chronological order of events. Write it in short sentences or paragraphs, which will avoid clutter. Use active voice. Don't assume that a reader knows all the laws. Avoid using negatives. Don't state your personal opinion without backing it up with the authoritative law. Don't use contractions. Don't forget to self-edit after you're done with drafting. You must go look upon it again after you have done writing. This will avoid all the mistakes. Do not use like words like don't, might. So this was the gist of all the main pointers on how to draft a legal written document or an agreement or memo, anything. If you like this video, just like, share and subscribe to my channel to view more on such videos. This will motivate me as well as benefit you in learning new things. Thank you for watching.